Hello and welcome to a new video. This video isn't about 1/6 scale, but about 1:1 scale. This is my new German helmet. It's a reproduction of the 35 model. And yes, that's me in the photo. This sequence shows the moment the box was opened. From ordering to arrival, it took less than 2 weeks, and it came from China. It's always a pleasure to open the box of something we've been waiting for. I recorded this moment to share with you. This part of the record have bad quality and was fault of the cameraman. He has already been fired and ordered to pay me 10,000 euros in compensation. And here it is. Look how beautiful. The cameraman was drunk and didn't get the helmet framed correctly. Now it's better. It's very beautiful. This part is finished. Let's move on to the second part.
Have you ever had a dreams that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
Yes, it's true. Ever since I was a kid I wanted one. Many passed through my hands to buy, but I only bought one at 57 years old. It's this one. The helmet is heavy. According to the description, it's made of steel and weighs about 1.6 kilograms. The paint job is very good and very close to the correct color. The liner is very realistic and made of aluminum with real leather, as is the neck stripe. It's very comfortable despite the weight. It's a matter of getting used to it. The liner is attached to the shell with these rivets, which can be removed to fully release the liner. See how easy it is to remove. I won't remove it myself because there are many videos on the subject, and I'll show an example from one of those videos here. The M35 has the edges rolled for a smoother finish. These are the ventilation holes with small hollow rivets. I'm still waiting for the decals I ordered. They'll be placed on the sides of the helmet. I'll talk about them in the second episode. Please stay tuned.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.